Hey guys, this is Jason from Reagan Creative, and I have probably so far my favorite unboxing. So I recently decided to take the plunge and pick up a Xiaomi 5 Pro tablet. And so I got it's the 2.4 inch, which is only available in certain parts of the world. So I'm really excited that I was able to get my hands on it. And it's got the 12 gigabyte RAM along with the 512 gigabyte storage, which is really awesome. So you can see here I've picked up the keyboard case that's just magnetically connected on the back. It has two positions. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I also went ahead and got the stylus. These do not come bundled. I think you can purchase them bundled through a third party, but I went ahead and just bought them all separately because it actually ended up being cheaper buying them all separately. So I'm going to put those over here out of the way, and then I want to unbox. This is this absolutely beautiful box that comes with the Pro. So as you can see here, it's the profile. It's really hefty. It comes with the Dolby Vision and Atmos. So here we go. I'm just going to give it a good little cut across here so we can get in and check it out. So, isn't that just so satisfying when you can pull the plastic off of there. All right, so here we go. I'm going to unbox this absolutely mammoth tablet, which I'm really stoked. So, all right, here we go. First time I'm seeing it. Ooh, this is really nice. I am really excited to see this. So, got this beautiful, instead of the plastic, it's this reuse of this biodegradable sort of mesh cloth. You guys know what I'm talking about. It comes with lots of different stuff a lot of times. So there we go. That's just going to slide right out. And then there is the actual tablet. Wow, that's really hefty actually. It's the dark black, I think they call it, or just the black. You can see here it's got this 50 megapixel camera, which is really fun. I can't wait to use that. You have the couple of different speaker jacks on this side, and then also down here as well. It's supposed to come out of every corner. Okay. Then over here we have our volume button, power button on the top, and then yeah, really nice. I'm really happy with the design of this. It's pretty sturdy, man. It feels really nice. It's got a nice feel to it. I can see the magnet here for the stylus, so it can charge. Man, that is just absolutely beautiful. Let's see what else we have in the box. So I'm just going to set this down here for a moment. Okay. And yeah, so we've got the instruction manual that comes with it. What looks very similar to another tablet maker stuff. Now I'm in China, so I did get this directly in China, and so the all the stuff is in Chinese. This is apparently in English. I made sure before I purchased it. And then also I'm really excited because I think Xiaomi must have heard the complaints or concerns in the past where they did not include a charger. They just included a short little dongle. So I'm really happy that that's now been included. That's the 67 watt, which is really nice. So yeah, that's a really sleek package. Really stoked about that. So I'm just going to kind of move this over here out of the way. And I have not cranked this bad boy up because, as you can see, you guys just watched me open it. I'm going to see if it has any juice. If it doesn't, oh yeah, there we go. So it's actually starting up. And now that you can see it a little better, you can see there's the camera. The front-facing camera is 30 megapixels, which I think is really good when you're talking about the sort of selfie front-facing camera. That's really nice. And so this is a really big tablet. I am really excited. It's got the new MIUI 13, and right here, click on English, and then we just go from there. Okay, and then I can go through. I'm going to skip connecting to the internet so far, and then we're just gonna I'm really excited about here is I can skip that for now just to set that up. say the phrase. Now, I can't say these phrases in Chinese, so I'm going to, let's see, something went wrong. So it gives me the phrases, which is really funny. In Chinese, it's Xiao I something or other. So I'm actually going to skip that for now until I can figure out what's best to do with that. Okay. And then really nice. It's just going through and giving me the quick location and stuff. I'm just going to leave everything as default for right now. And then I'm going to swipe up just so we can see. Wow, that is really nice. Okay. So I have turned it and you can see the orientation has changed. I really, really like the look of this. The colors are vivid. I just absolutely adore that. Everything's in English, which is just kind of shocking for me, actually. Let's see, if we click on weather, oh, well, that's right, I don't have my internet connected, but what's really good is I can go in. I do have a Xiaomi account, which I'll connect to later. It tells you all about your device, and you can go in, you can reset. There's the features that we can do, but I wanted to come and look at the display. Oh wow, it does have a dark mode, which is really nice. And then we can look at there's a stylus and a keyboard we can connect as well. There is a way to, when the device is in VR, we can go through and set up the VR. In China, they're really pushing virtual reality a lot with a lot of different things, and so hopefully I can find something to share with you about that. But this is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm really, really nice. Oh wow, we can schedule the dark mode. I know that's kind of a normal thing, but that's kind of fun to be able to do that. It's very crisp and clear, very minimal. I do like Xiaomi products. I've got a Xiaomi TV. I've got a Xiaomi soundbar. A couple other things, like a smart kind of Alexa style or Hey Google style alarm clock, and you have a smart lamp that I can adjust the different levels on, which is really nice. And all of that I can do through the app on my phone, which I know I'll be able to do on this as well. So I can adjust the home screen, that kind of thing. So this is really nice. I'm really pleased with how this looks. I'm anxious to see how the camera is going to look because it is, let's see, wow, that's actually really crisp and clear. And so as you can see, it's got documents set up, so I could go in and it could scan my documents on there as well. I can make video. Wow, look at that. That is unbelievably clear. I'm really happy with that. You can do people portraits type things. And then, wow, we can go ahead and set up the 50 megapixel, which is Ultra HD, which is just unbelievably clear, which I absolutely love. It's just taking me a little minute to kind of get sorted here, so we can oh, and this is one thing that I was reading about, the AI watermark, which is really cool because it protects your photos and your video. So anything you shoot on your Xiaomi Pad, the Pad 5 Pro, it will embed the AI watermark so people can't steal your stuff. So wow, that's pretty sweet. I'm really excited about having that. But yeah, this is great. So I'm going to play around with this some. Wow, I didn't realize my little table was quite so dirty. That's pretty unbelievable. So if you want to know more about what I'm doing, go ahead and scan my code, which is a great way to show that. This is also where you could just type that in and connect with me. And I'm going to play around with this, and I'm going to make some more advanced feature videos later. So let me know in the comments what kind of features you'd like for me to demonstrate. I'm happy to do that. I do, again, have a Xiaomi or a Redmi television, and I'm going to try to see what it's like to project to that. So I'm thinking of making a video about that, as well as some of the other features. So let me know what you're interested in, and I will, I'll check it out. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share so I can make more videos in the future. So until then, I'll see you on the flip side.